Welcome back, everybody. We're in my beauty room. I am going to show you guys in a second what it looks like, and then we're going to clean it. Forewarning, it is disgusting. It is filthy. I'm ashamed of it, but it's real life. So let me show you guys. And this is my beauty room. Yes. Don't ask. Just don't ask. We went on vacation, and let's be honest, it was clean when I went on vacation. This all happened when I got back from vacation, so I need to clean it. So I thought, why not film me cleaning this mess up? So let's get started. I cannot find my tripod for my camera, so yeah, I think I might turn this light on. Puts a little bit of a glow on me. But I want to start on my vanity first because there's a lot of stuff that needs to be put away. So we're going to do that first. I think I'm going to move you guys. Hey, that works. Hopefully I don't bump that because my camera is going to fall down and break. And that won't be good. So let's clean off this vanity.
Where you been and where you hiding? I know you're lying. Don't you try it, no. You really shouldn't play with fire. Put it out with water. But now you're drowning.
This was my bracelet when my daughter and I went to the Ice Cube concert. He performed a half a song and then it started to storm, so then he stopped and he never came back. But at least I have this bracelet.
I should be dying to be like you, but I don't wanna be like you. Cause I could do better. I could do better. I could do.
So I put all of the products away, but as you can tell, I need to wipe this down. And I need to throw that very, very old Dr. Pepper away. And that one. Don't mind that stuff.
You're telling me I should go places. You're telling me that I'm too lazy. You are the one that is going crazy. Yeah. Cause you can't even hold your own. But you always know what's wrong with everyone else. How is that?
So this is what the vanity is looking like right now. There are a couple stains that I'm not able to get out. This is hair dye, and I believe that's hair dye too. So now that I'm done with that, I think we're gonna work on this. Shall we? Yeah, let's get this done. On top of here, I just have a lot of papers and miscellaneous stuff that I have to go through and find a home for it finally, because this is not where this stuff belongs. Before, after, it looks a lot better. I have some clothes here that I was gonna wear when we went to Vegas for BravoCon, but we didn't get tickets. I was gonna make a video on it showing you what cute outfits I came up with for BravoCon, but since we didn't get tickets and we're not going, I might as well show you guys. The first thing, you guys, these are cute. I never tried them on, so I don't know if they fit me or not, but look at them. The camera is not truly showing you guys how cool these shorts are, but these shorts are amazing. They're super, super cute. So I was gonna wear these with, let me see if I have the top. With this top here, it is a long sleeve bodysuit. So I was gonna wear this with these shorts, and then I was gonna put on some long or tall black boots, and then I was gonna wear some nylons. This was gonna be super cute because I was going to get extensions, like not clip-ins, like the actual stuff. So my hair was gonna be super long, and I was gonna do like this really tall or high pony, and I was gonna whip my hair around. So if I seen Tom Sandoval, I was gonna whip my hair at him. If I was drunk, I would. I'm really, really, really upset that we did not get tickets. My sister tried. I was on vacation. If I would have thought for a second, I would have known, like, oh, hey, like, yeah, this is gonna sell out fast. But I wasn't thinking, so blame it on me. My sister tried everything. I didn't try anything. I literally was sitting there like, yeah, you go, girl. I also got some shoes, and I forgot what these look like, so let's open it up and see. Oh, this was for Vegas too. Look at these. They're the really large knotted sandals. I don't know what you want to call them. Heels? I don't know. But they're cute. I saw a lot of people on TikTok buying these. And I guess this is like a dupe for a high-end brand, but you won't go to Vegas either. I want to go to Vegas. I want to plan a trip and go to Vegas because I have so many cute outfit ideas, and there is no other place that I will wear these clothes, only in Vegas. So it's like I have to go to Vegas. Now I just have to convince my husband that I need to go. Don't mind the pile that I'm starting on the floor. I always do that. But yeah, I think I'm gonna work on this because it's not that bad. It just needs a little tidying up. So let's do that. We need to get rid of all of this stuff. I don't know what to do with it. What do we do? What do we do? I have a empty bag, so I'm just gonna throw the stuff I don't want in this bag here. For the rest of this stuff, just like that, it's gone. This is the room. It looks a lot better compared to the before. I am one sweaty mess right now, so I need to go take a shower and go to bed. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!